That's an important question for any global business. Expensify absolutely supports multi-currency transactions for both expense reporting and reimbursement. When an employee makes a purchase in a foreign currency, Expensify's SmartScan technology automatically captures the expense and recognizes the transactional currency directly from the receipt. This works for nearly every currency worldwide. The magic happens in the conversion. Expensify automatically converts that foreign amount into your company's designated reporting currency using real-time or daily updated exchange rates. This ensures accuracy and consistency across all your financial records, regardless of where the purchase was made. You don't have to manually look up conversion rates or do any complicated calculations. This feature is critical for global expense management, simplifying international business travel and cross-border operations. Expensify also supports global reimbursements, allowing you to pay employees back in their local currency in over 190 countries, drawing funds from a few major banking regions. By automating the currency conversion and global reimbursement processes, Expensify eliminates the administrative headaches and logistical nightmares often associated with managing international expenses. It's all about making global finance feel local and simple.